Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today is 20th April. We are going to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is SP500. So this chart is very much to the upper side. We are in an active uptrend. Even the current candle you are seeing is very much inside the body of the previous week's candle. So while this is true, we do expect a continuation to the upper side. We expect price to break above the high of the previous week's high, this one, 4188.18. If the price can successfully break and close above this high, then we want to see some pullback before we can continue to the upper side. So as it is now, just wait for price to pull back, nicely up to around the level which I've mentioned, or inside this around 3955.4, so that you can pick a buy position. We're expecting that buy to push us even higher. Our next symbol is Brent oil. So Brent oil, we took a buy. This was around 2 weeks ago. We had a buy position. So based on this trend line, the one I'm currently drawing, we had this trend line here. We had a support, those are break. We had a resistance, those are break above. So as we're speaking now, the price is above the same trend line. So expect price to continue upwards. Expect it to extend much higher, at least up to 71.51. If the price can go up to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. Wait for price to break above, retrace back, then continue up at least up to this point. So this is what we expect to be happening. The price should continue up, pull back, before we see a continuation to the upside. This is what may likely happen. So if you're on this chart, expect a move like this. Expect price to break beyond, continue up, break beyond 71.51 before it can continue higher up to around 84.05. So our next symbol is Euro USD. So Euro USD so far, we've seen price extend to the upper side. The price continuously is moving to the upper side, which means we are likely to see price extend higher. This is the level where we don't expect price to go beyond. We do have this as a very good resistance level. We don't expect price to clearly break beyond 1.20772. So as long as we don't see this breach, this is a good place to look for a sell from. Our stop loss is above this high, and then our take profit is here. So if you sell it, that is, if you sell it here where the price is now, expect that sell to take us up to 1.1911. If the price breaks below that target, then the next level is this 1.1625. Our next symbol is USDJPY. This has now turned into a sell. Remember what we said previously. We had price above this trend line, the upper trend line, and we mentioned that as long as the price was being held above that trend line, we did expect a continuation even higher. Unfortunately, that did not happen. The price pulled back down and even ended up below the trend line which we had before. So this may mean we're continuing to the low side. We do expect price to continue much lower, at least up to the trend line which we have at the bottom, this one. So our next symbol is GBP USD. So this is also upwards. I remember what we said some few weeks ago. We were actually expecting a sell on this one because the price went massively to the lower side, like this candle here. It went massively to the lower side. As we're speaking now, it has pulled back and even gained much higher. So expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to this point, 1.4250. So this means the price may extend towards 1.4250, where if it breaks above, then a continuation much higher is expected. So our last symbol is gold. Gold, we do expect a sell from around this level. We expect a sell from around 1784.83. So this is the place where if the price does not clearly break beyond, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So technically, just watch for price around this point, 1784.83. If the price should break above this level, then our next target is this. Any break any higher will push the price much higher up to this point. And then if the price continues higher, then our next level is this around 2039.69. So these are the places where we want price to get to. Either it gets to this level, 1784.83, 1866.15, 1953.84, or 2039.69. On the lower side, this is another level we are looking at, this one. So we have this, we have this, and we have this. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same. So thank you. See you.